Hello everyone, welcome back. Our chapter how plant increase in number. Okay. In previous two part of the video, we learned about the parts of seeds, types of seeds, germination of seeds. Okay. And today our topic is dispersal of seeds. Okay. Plants are fixed. We know that plants are fixed in this space. Okay. If all the seeds of a plant fall on the ground near the mother plant, they do not get enough space and food to grow healthy. We know that the seed of fall near the mother plant, okay, fall the ground near the mother plant, so they do not get enough space, okay, not food, not enough sunlight, so they do not grow healthier. Thus in nature seeds get scattered from away from the mother plant, okay. तो जेड़ा कि हम सीड उदों ही ग्रो कर सकते जो कि थोड़ा जिहा अपनी मदर प्लांट तो दूर होएगा, okay. The process of scattering of seed fruits away from the mother plant is called dispersal of seed, which is necessary for the healthy growth of seedling. Okay, तो किया जो seed है या fruit है वो अपनी mother plant तो थोड़ा दूर होके डिगना चाहिए. That's why हो गया properly healthier और ओदी growth वधिया हो सकेगी. That is called the dispersal of seeds. Okay, this is plant of pomegranate. This is plant of pomegranate. Okay, their seed. Suppose the seed is fallen near the ground, so there not enough space, not enough ground, so they do not grow properly. Okay, when we take it and grow in proper space and proper ground, so they grow in proper way. Okay, this is called the dispersal of seed. Next our topic is agent for dispersal of seed. Agent for dispersal of seeds and fruits. Okay, there are four types: dispersal by wind, dispersal by explosion, dispersal by animals, and dispersal by water. Firstly we take example of dispersal by wind. Okay, this is the plant of madder. Okay, madder. See it properly. This can be dispersed by wind. Okay, when the air blow, it can be dispersed. Okay, see it. The air blow and the seed dispersed in different space and area. Okay, this is the example of dispersal by wind. Okay, next example is dispersal by explosion. Explosion means किसी भी चीज़ का फटना. Okay, this is a explosion. Suppose any fruit can be ripe. Okay, any fruit ripe more and more, then they explode, फट जाता है. So ਉਹਦੇ ਫਟਣ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, जो दी सीड्स होंदियां दूर जाके गिर जांदियां. ओके, सो उन्हां नूं कि इनफ स्पेस मिल जाती है, इनफ वाटर मिलता है, इनफ सनलाइट मिलती है. ओके, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ डिस्पर्सल बाय एक्सप्लोजन. नेक्स्ट इज डिस्पर्सल बाय एनिमल्स. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल टेक like we eat mango and orange, like types of fruit. When we eat the seed of mango, we throw it. Okay, so we throw it in other space so they can grow a new plant. Okay, this is the example of dispersal by animal. Okay, one more example of dispersal by animals. Okay, like some plants, some seeds have hooks, spines, thorns or stiff hair, so they stick to the fur of the passing animals, feathers of bird, and even to our clothes. Okay, in this way they are carried off to different place. Okay, so this is another example of dispersal of animal. Next example is dispersal by water. Some fruits and seeds have certain structures such as spongy or fibrous outer coats, okay, which help them to float on water. Like coconut and lotus plants have fruits, they are dispersed by water. Okay, the coconut floats on water and is carried away to far away places. Okay, so they can easy to grow new plant. Okay. Our next topic is new plants from other parts of plants. Okay. Apart from seeds, new plants can also grow with the help of roots, stem, and leaves. Okay. From roots. First is from roots. The roots of plants such as carrots, radishes, turnips, and sweet potato can be used to grow new plants. Okay. Next is from the stem. Okay, potatoes, onions, and gingers are the stems of plants that grow underground. Okay, potatoes have teeny buds or eyes on them from which new plants can arise. Plants such as money plant, roses, and sugar can produce new plant from their stem cutting. Okay, we know that अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਮਨੀ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਕੱਟ ਵੀ ਦਈਏ, ਰੋਜ਼ ਹੈ ਓਕੇ, ਰੋਜ਼ ਦਾ ਫਲਾਵਰ ਕੱਟ ਦਈਏ, ਉਹਦੀ ਇਕੱਲੀ ਸਟੈਮ ਰਹਿਣ ਦਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਨਿਊ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਗਰੋ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਓਕੇ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਇਜ਼ ਫਰੋਮ ਲੀਵਸ. ਫਰੋਮ ਲੀਵਸ. ਲੀਵਸ ਆਫ ਸਮ ਪਲਾਂਟਸ ਓਕੇ such as bryophyllum and begonia can grow into new plants. Okay. They produce many buds in their margins which grow into new plants when they come in contact with moist soil. Okay. ਕੁਛ ਐਵੇਂ ਦੀ ਲੀਵਸ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕਿ ਨਿਊ ਪਲਾਂਟਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਗਰੋ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਨਿਊ ਬਰਡਸ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਅਗਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਮੋਇਸਟ ਸੋਇਲ ਮਿਲੇ. ਓਕੇ. That all for the day. Thank you for watching video.